This week, the skin condition that I'll be talking about is psoriasis. So where does psoriasis show? Psoriasis, as shown in the picture, can be shown on the scalp, face, hands, feet, and nails. There's genital psoriasis, so you can see psoriasis in the genital areas and also in the skin folds, such as the armpits or in between the fingers. The most common type of psoriasis is plaque psoriasis, and this form of disease, it appears as raised red patches covered with silvery white buildup or dead skin cells. These patches or plaques most often show up on the scalp, knees, elbows, or lower back, and they're often painful and they can crack or bleed. There are different types of psoriasis. The next psoriasis is guttate psoriasis, and this is a form of psoriasis that appears as small dot-like lesions as shown here in the slide. This type of psoriasis often starts in childhood or young adulthood and can be triggered by a strep infection. This is the second most common type of psoriasis, and after plaque psoriasis. About 10% of people who get psoriasis develop guttate psoriasis. Next, there's inverse psoriasis. Inverse psoriasis shows up as a very red lesion in the body folds, such as the armpits, knee, and in the groin region. It may appear smooth and shiny. Many people have other types of psoriasis elsewhere on the body at the same time, though it may be inverse psoriasis as well. It could be shown up on other places other than skin folds. Next, we have pustular psoriasis. Pustular psoriasis is characterized by white pustules or blisters of non-infectious pus surrounded by red skin. The pus consists of white blood cells. It's not an infection, nor is it contagious. This type of psoriasis can occur in any part of the body, but usually occurs in the hands or feet. Finally, we have the urethradermik psoriasis, and this type of psoriasis particularly is a severe form of psoriasis that can lead to widespread fiery redness over most of the body. It can cause severe itching and pain and make the skin come off in the sheets. It is rare, though, occurring in only 3% of people who have psoriasis during their lifetime, and it also generally appears on people who have unstable plaque psoriasis. That is the conclusion of my PowerPoint. Here are the references from which I got most of my information and photos from. Thank you. Bye-bye.